Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I'm gonna unpackage this package from DIYCHOOSE. You can see it's upside down. I'm hoping this one's a little less eventful than my last unboxing. Last unboxing was quite interesting. Anyhow, all right, let's see what we got. Well, it looks like we got 4 paintings and not a painting. Let's start with the not a painting. Not Your Mama. That just reminded me of that. I don't know why. Oh boy, you know. Okay, I'm not in the mood for trying to figure out the sticky stuff. I'm just in the mood for cutting things open and getting into it. All right, so these are so interesting. So interesting. They come in so many different ways now. I don't know. Anyhow, toolkit. You saw the toolkit, right? I know, I flashed it by you really quick. Here's our drills. Drills. Okay, so it's another wreath type thing, and this is one that is the plastic, the whole white plastic. So I've had all white plastic like this, all clear acrylic, and now the most recent ones I got are clear acrylic with like a paper on the back. Okay, so there you go. But this one, look at it. This is for winter. I'm trying to get some for like all the seasons, you know, spring, summer, fall, winter, Thanksgiving, Christmas, you know what I mean? This will be perfect for after Christmas when I do my snowmen all over my house. Look at, isn't it cute? It's like on blue. It's got, well, it's some white and some blue on the background. So that's kind of cool. Little bird, okay. Little birdie up there. Cute. What kind of bird is that? What kind of bird? What kind of bird? Do you know what it is? I would call it a rose-breasted grosbeak. That's what I would call it. But you call it what you want. You can call it black bird with red belly if you want. Anyhow, I'm just thinking about, really? Okay, is this gonna be another one of those? Is this gonna be another one of those unboxings? Please tell me no. If you watch my GBFKE, you'll understand. It was interesting. Okay. I could have just slid them out. I think I tore the whole end off, but I didn't. All right, so there's no legend or anything to go with these. There's no paper. Your bags have the number. So this is 11, so you'll look on here and you'll find all of the 11s will be blue. Well, some 7s will be blue as well. Oh, look, we got a few black ABs, got some peachy pinks, some darker rosy peachy colors, green, red. All right. We got some more. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, look, we have white pearlescent AB. I like those. A pink. Those look icky, don't they? Those don't look any fun at all. How come these 2 greens are icky? Everything else looked really good. Why? Why? I don't want dirty, icky, dusty drills. I'm gonna have to clean those off. Anyhow, orange, pearl, pretty marquise. Oh, let's throw in some more of these. Okay, we had some here. We have more here. Apparently they didn't have enough in this bag. I don't know, they put more. Okay. Oh, you guys, the joys lately. Things are just weird. And I don't know what that, okay. What does that go to? That must be this one. Okay, so these 2 bags got gypped, apparently. And so they've thrown in another bag of each of those 2 colors. All right. Detective work. Process of elimination. Matching. Brandy, forensic science. That didn't come in a box or anything. You noticed that, right? It wasn't broke, so okay. All right, I'm not in the mood. I'm just not in the mood for this sticky bag stuff. Not doing it. It's been a long video kind of day. I'll just say that. Okay. I still have stuff I haven't figured out from earlier. I don't know. All right. This one's kind of wide, it looks like. We got a wide one. Wide load, wide load. Toolkit, drills. Well, these look a little, those look dusty too. Come on, why? Why do we have dirty, dusty drills? Oh man, this has eight shapes, colors, etc. And, oh look, you can read it really well. Be still, God, and know that I am. Huh. Okay, so I have seen these very, very wrinkly, you guys, very wrinkly. Deep creases. We got to get those out. So I have seen these in full drill, and I thought the words might not turn out very well in the full drill, but when I saw it in special drill, I was like, yes. I thought of my mom, and I was like, yeah, let me get one. They had several sayings, different flowers, etc., etc. But I liked that one because it really did remind me of my mom. And we're doing Smashing the Specials, and I'll probably do it for her. Okay? All right, let's look at these drills, and let's see what's dusty, dirty, and what's not. Oh, this is perfect, too. You guys, this is perfect. This is so her colors. I'm doing this for my mommy. Yep. This is like a little pale yellow. Here's that dusty looking one. I don't know. They don't look really crisp and clean and shiny in there, do they? But here are the, look at the teals. My mom's favorite color. Yeah. Okay. Pretty blue. A green marquee. A clear teardrop. And look at those. Okay. This is going on the top of the pile. It's got to go on the top of the pile, you guys. Yeah. I'm trying not to tear up here. Okay. All right. So, which one? We only need one. One at a time, please. One at a time. Oh, man. Okay. All right. What do we got next? I don't know. I can't get it open. Do I have any full drill? There's the question. I'm getting so many special drills. Do I have any full? This canvas is really pliable. Super like malleable. Is that the word I'm looking for? Malleable. It got some tweezers. Got some tweezers with that one. There's our drills. This looked just fun. Just looked fun, right? Look at that. Almost complete coverage on that. Not really a bubble painting, but just a complete covered number 16 on the background. It's probably all black. We got a whole bunch of special shapes. We got teardrops. We got some big ovals here, some small ovals. Won't that be pretty? Just makes this swirly thing. It's a 30 by 30, so it's kind of small and easy. And oh my gosh, it's got beautiful stuff, you guys. Oh, wait till you see these. They're gorgeous. Oh, that's all the specials right there. We'll just hang on to those for a second. Okay, so we got rhinestones on both ends, apparently. Purple, oh, look. So we got little purple rhinestones and a larger purple smooth. Okay. We got some pretty blue. We got these pretty little purple teardrops. Some marquees. Then we have this golden yellow, and we have the golden yellow in a bigger. All right, we got some pretty purple, gorgeous red. These look good. Now these drills look nice. These look nice and sparkly, like a champagne teardrop and a hot pink, and that's black. That is black resin. I know they have a silver back. I've said this before. Those are black resin. They just have a silver back on them. All right, that's going to be your background. And here are the big special ones. These are gorgeous. Wow. So we got some big purple ones. We got those big red ovals. We got these beautiful blue teardrops. And we have some small red ovals. Nice. Isn't that going to be pretty? That's got some cool stuff in it. I like that one. It's got cool stuff. Okay, over here. Over there. Over here, over there. I hear Chuck. Chuck is outside crowing here. Windows are closed and stuff, so it's kind of quiet. You might not hear him. But I hear him. All right. Oh, we have a full drill. What do you know? This one's a stiffer oil canvas, but we have a full drill. Oh, here comes a puppy dog. Click, click, click. On the floor she goes. What do you want? She's staring at me. Okay. Basic toolkit. Our drills. Beautiful colors. Joe, I'll show them today. Okay, Joe? He was teasing me because I don't show the resin drills very much. Welcome. Look. Yep. Picture printed. Not pixel printed. Very curvy. See, very curvy. 23 colors. It says welcome. What do we have? We have a basket with a bow and some flowers blooming and a bee. We got a bumblebee or a honeybee or some kind of a bee. Isn't it pretty? Okay, so you guys, you know, they must be taking like garden flag images. Whoever makes the garden flags, I don't know. I think they're getting garden flag images, because don't you see that just hanging outside on one of those little stakes, you know, in your yard, flapping in the breeze, welcoming your friends and family. Yeah, cute, right? Cute. I like it. It's got DMC codes on it. Like I said, it's got all letters. It is all letters. It's got a big dark blue background. So I anticipate a lot of dark blue. Oh, it's got another bee right there. Another bee, pot of daisies. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. That's for Brandy. All right, what do we got? Blue, green, peach, green, blue, blue. Here's our blue background. Blue, blue. I'm so lonesome for you. Well, you won't be lonesome for blue when you're done with this. Oh, I just thought of something. Okay, blue, yep. My bunny. I'm scheming. Scheming, you guys, I'm scheming. Purple, gray. Lavender. We'll call it lavender. And then we have some white, some peach, some blue, some purple, and some rust. Pinky rust. It's cute though, right? Cute, cute, cute. I like it. Okay. All right, what do we got? One more item. Will it be a full drill or will it be a special drill? Are you taking bets? Are you taking bets? What do you think? What do you think? Tell me what you think. Full or special? You got a 50-50? 50-50 chance. 50-50, 50-50. This canvas is somewhere in between the really soft one and the really stiff one. Does that make sense? Yeah. It's semi-soft. I don't know. All right, we got some tweezers with that one. Have you ever used these? I've never used those. Okay, here's our drills. All right, this looks like it's a 30 by 30. Maybe it's a 30 by 40. We'll find out. But look it. I'm gonna call it a bubble painting. Bubble, bubble, double trouble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Do 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 do. There it is. It's got 16 different shapes. They're probably all round shapes. So it's gonna be pretty though. Red and blue and yellow. I think it's gonna be really pretty. That will be fun. You know what? I like it. I like the bubble ones because you don't get stuck with just doing a ton of rhinestones, a ton. You get to do some regular rhinestones and then you get to do something bigger, and it just changes it up. You know what I mean? Changes it up, makes it a little different. All right, we got bagged drills. We have drills in a strip. So let's look at the strip first. Okay, I was not expecting that color to be anywhere. How about you? Were you expecting that? Not me. And that's the only bag of those. So where do those go? Number 15. 15. It's got 16 shapes, so it must have a 15. I don't know. I don't see them. I don't see them. Let me look up close. Look closely with me. Oh, I see them now. Okay. They just go around here, around each of these circles. Okay, that's the 15. Oh, and there's a couple of them over here. Probably a couple over here. Yeah, okay. All right. Well, I didn't expect that color. Okay, so we have some big golden yellow ones, some clear. We have some little yellow, little orange, little blue, little red, little clear. Then we have blue. Wow, this is very interesting. Okay, we have blue, blue. Look, blue, 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 blue. Goes with what? This blue? What's different? What's different? Different size? Okay, there we go. We got a small, medium, and large there. And then we have a rhinestone that color. So we have those four right there. Little, bigger, bigger, bigger. There's the blues. That's why I call them bubbles. They're different sizes. Okay. Then we have some golds. These are not the same gold though. Look, do you notice that? You notice how this is yellow and that's orangey? Are they supposed to be the same? Well, let's see. This one really kind of goes with that one. That one actually goes with that one. Oh, there we go. Okay, can you see that? Look, bigger orangey ones, bigger yellowish ones. Okay, this is making sense, right? Okay, we did the blues. What do these go with? They don't match anything. They're just out on their own. They are out there on their own somewhere. They're very pretty, the pearls. I love those. And then we have 2 sizes of reds to go with our red, right? There you go. 3 sizes of reds. Nice. This is fun. This will be so much fun. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, that's what I got, you guys. So, were you right? It was a special. Did you get it right? I don't know. I knew what it was. I knew I got it right. Sorry. It has been a weird day. You just have to forgive me. Or not. I don't care. Whatever. Okay, I'm done now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for looking and checking this out and seeing if it's something that you think is fun. Are the ones the big? No, they're not. The ones are not the big pearls. Where'd the big pearls go? Oh, yeah, they're going to go in here. Ding, 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 ding. No way. No way. They go all around here, too. Wow, that's a lot of big pearls. Oh, okay. That'll be pretty. All right, I'm going to go. Thanks for watching. I'll link them below. You can check them out. You can go see if you want some, whatever you want to do, or, you know, don't look at all, whatever. I told you guys, I can't help myself. I'm going to stop talking. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later. If you enjoyed this in any way, shape, or form, and you would like to come back and see more nonsense, subscribe. Okay? There's craziness here all the time. All right, I'm going to go now before I make a complete fool out of myself. Bye.